Watermelon bullies the mango.
Meenu, can you tell a story? I don't want to play now. I want to listen to a story.
Okay, I will tell you a funny story. One day, a fruit seller was pushing his cart and selling fruits.
Juicy mangoes, red apples, big watermelons. Come, come to buy nice fruits.
Don't push me, you silly watermelon. You have been pushing me since morning. Me and silly? You must be silly. Did you see your size and mine? If I give you one push, you will fall down. I am so heavy. I wish someone buys you quickly. You are a big bully. But if all my friends join together, we will also be as heavy as you. Oh, that's not possible. Look, the fruit seller has gone to drink water. Let us check our weight. Let me see if you and your friends are heavier than me. No way! Ha ha ha! Look how heavy I am. The whole scale is down on my side. Friends, come on. Let us take out these weights and climb onto this side. Oh, what's happening? Look, we are the same weight now. Look at the scale. We are as heavy as you. You can't bully us anymore, you silly watermelon.
Oh ho, who put you up on the weight scale? How did you come here? Let me put you back. Oh no, stop, stop. Oh ho, this watermelon.
That was funny, Meenu. But were those mangoes really as heavy as the watermelon?
Yes, Buzz. All those 10 mangoes put together were as heavy as the watermelon. Come, let's go to the market. Grandma wants some vegetables.
Meenu, wait. I am also coming.
Auntie, can you please give us 1 kg of onions?
What does kg mean, Meenu?
Kg or kilo actually means kilogram. It is the unit we use for weight. If we have to measure any weight, we call it kilogram.
And it is written like this. Kg. This means kilogram. If we write 1 kg, it means 1 kilogram. How do we know if the onions are 1 kilo?
Look here. This auntie has a weighing scale. This is a 1 kilogram weight. That means the weight of this is 1 kilogram. So, she she keeps it on one side. Auntie, can you just keep the weight on the weighing scale?
Look, that side has gone down so much. Now we have to put onions on the other side.
How much will she put?
Till the time this needle is in the middle. That means it is equal. When it is in the middle, it means there is 1 kilogram of onion.
Oh, it is like that. Look there, Uncle Ramu. He is carrying such a big bag. It must be very heavy. He must be carrying many kilos.
Oh no, Buzz. I am not carrying a heavy bag. It is just 1 kilo in weight.
What? 1 kilo in weight? Look at our 1 kilo bag of onions. It is so small. Meenu, that vegetable auntie has cheated us.
Oh no, Buzz. She has not cheated you. I am carrying 1 kilo of cotton. Cotton is very light. So you need to put more for 1 kilo. But the weight will be the same.
How is it possible?
Come here, I will tell you. Do you have 1 kg of onions in that bag?
Yes, we do.
Now let me weigh these coriander leaves. First I will put a 1 kg weight on this side. Now I will put coriander leaves on the other side.
Oh, so much? Such a big bag.
That's right, Buzz. But see, both are 1 kilogram in weight. Look, all three are of the same weight. These onions, coriander, and this cotton bag. But the size of the bags are so different.
This is like magic. Auntie, what are these?
Oh, these are different weights. This is 2 kgs and this is 500 grams.
500 grams? What is that?
Buzz, 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram. So, 500 grams means half a kilogram.
So, we can buy half a kilogram also. guess if it is more than 1 kilo or less than 1 kilo. It will be lots of fun.
Okay, Buzz. This ball?
Less than 1 kilo.
Can you tell me how heavy this school bag would be?
It will be more than 1 kilo.
This pencil box?
It will be less than 1 kilo.
Raja,
More than 1 kilo.
you?
Less than 1 kilo. Meenu, look, Cheenu is teasing me.
Chinu, stop it. Friends, you can also look at different things and guess their weight. You can guess if they are more than 1 kilogram or less than 1 kilogram. It's lots of fun.
Can you say loudly which of the following things would weigh more than 1 kg and which would weigh less than 1 kg? Pencil, less than 1 kg. School bag, more than 1 kg.
Watermelon,
More than 1 kg. A bucket filled with water, more than 1 kg. Matchbox, less than 1 kg. Marble, less than 1 kg. Table, more than 1 kg. Brick, more than 1 kg. Eraser, less than 1 kg. 1 egg, less than 1 kg. Let us help Butterfly put the more than and less than sign correctly. 10, 15, 10 less than 15, 32, 20, 32 greater than 20, 45, 67, 45 less than 67, 71, 17, 71 greater than 17, 58,
74. 58 less than 74. 18 81. 18 less than 81. 16 15. 16 greater than 15. 27 72. 27 less than 72. Shall we guess the weight and match the following? Elephant, (400 kilos). Apple, less than 1 kilo. Cow, (70 kilos). Ant, less than 1 kilo. Cat, (5 kilos). School bag, (3 kilos). Elephant, 400 kilos. Apple, less than 1 kilo. Cow, 70 kilos. Ant, less than 1 kilo. Cat, 5 kilos. School bag, 3 kilos.